Hello guys, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer. You know who it is. I don't usually start my videos like that, but yeah, it's me, Vanessa, coming at you with another sped through plan with me in my A5 ring insert. That's a lot of words, right? So today we are doing a leftover kit, a leftover spread I should say, not a leftover kit, a leftovers spread. You know, I really like doing this. It allows me to use up my leftover boxes that I have, because of course I only use 5 boxes and a lot of kits provide like 8 to 9 boxes. So that's, I mean, I love it. It's nice. It's great because then it saves me money. So I mean, if you're planning an A5 ring planner, or you're planning A5 kind of format and you're feeling like you're not having enough room for Saturday and Sunday to write all your plans down, I highly encourage just using 5 full boxes a week. And then you have 2 extra plus the other extras that you would have already had if you do 2 back-to-back kits. And if they match, like, and even if they don't match, do whatever you want. You do you. Have fun. Go out. Be creative. For me, if they're both matching, like if I do back to back and say one is like dark pink and another one's like light pink, because you know I just use pink kits left and right, then I will combine the leftovers of the leftover boxes, and I will use it as a leftover spread. I have a good amount of leftover boxes that I have in just a little baggie. I cut them out, throw them in the baggie, and then when it's time for me to do a leftover spread like this one, I lay them all out. I look to see which ones kind of match together, and I pull them, and then I put them in the planner. That's how it goes. So this is a mixture. I see some So Cute planner, I think that's the name of the shop. Some of those full boxes. I even see that one down there on Monday is from Scribble Prints Co, a fashion girl. Yeah, so let's talk about what I did for like the base of this spread. You can tell that it's pretty much blank. I started off this plan with a pretty minimal base spread. I didn't put any date covers, I didn't put any date dots, I didn't put any headers, just full boxes, and it stays like this, and I like it. It's like, it feels really like fresh and clean. The planner inserts that I have for this month are a very light purple. I want to say they're like kind of like a slate gray, but like a little bit more towards the purple side, like light lavender color, like pastel lavender / grayish little tint in there. And it kind of just matches with a lot of the full boxes that I decided to use for this leftovers spread. And I'm like, you know what? I don't think headers are necessary. I don't think day covers are necessary this week. I did film this on Sunday. I filmed this the 30th, and today is the 3rd of September. So happy September. This is my first spread in September. It's really exciting. I'm just mostly excited because next month is my birthday, and next week I start classes, even though you're gonna watch this and I will have already started classes, obviously. But yeah, and I haven't told you yet, but this is planning for the week that is August the 31st to September the 6th, so the very first week. Let's just go into what happened this week. Of course, I'm not gonna write anything down in this plan with me because, like I said, I filmed this on the Sunday. I was filming this in the past, and Monday hadn't happened yet, so nothing is getting written in. But I can still tell you what happened because today is the 3rd. Monday, I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. I did voiceovers. I did a voiceover for the week of August the 17th. I edited and uploaded that video. Cleaned the litter box, read my book, Star Wars Fate of the Fate of the Jedi. Conviction, so good. Today that I am doing this voiceover, I just finished chapter 39, and I have 5 more chapters to go until I'm done. So great. For dinner, we had Panera bread. My husband and I exercised, and I fell asleep at 11:30. Next day, Tuesday, woke up at 6:30 a.m., which I was super hype about. I was like, I've been wanting to wake up at like 6 o'clock for the longest time, and though 6:30 isn't like really 6 o'clock, but it is in the 6 o'clock time frame, so I was okay with that. I had time to do some voiceovers, which by some I mean one. I don't know why. I don't know why I make myself sound more busy than I actually am. But I did a voiceover. Then afterwards I went to work. When I came home from work, I read my book. And then for dinner, I made meatballs and banana squash, which was okay. It was my first time making it, so it wasn't like the greatest. But now I know for next time what I'll do differently. I had marked down in my pre-planner that I was going to exercise, and that is crossed off. I did not do that. Fell asleep at 10 o'clock, though I was tired, I guess I was tired that day. We went to bed, I think we went to bed a little earlier too. I think we went to bed at 7:30, 7 o'clock-ish. I fell asleep. I started feeling sleepy at like 9:30, and I was like, no, Vanessa, I want to watch more videos. Like, I wanted to watch more videos, so I was like making myself stay up even though I was sleepy. And then I fell asleep in the middle of a YouTube video. I was like, well, I assume I fell asleep around 10ish. Next day, Wednesday, woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, which I was super duper excited about, especially since it wasn't even my work day. Like, I didn't have to wake up at 6 o'clock, but I did, and I was super hype about it. I prepped my plan with me that you guys are gonna see next week. It's the next plan with me that's gonna be up. I prepped that plan with me, edited and uploaded, cleaned the litter box, read my book. For dinner, we had Culver's. I got myself a shake, and man, I put it inside the freezer, and I forgot about it. And I was like, oh man, my shake, I want it. And I'm like, it's probably gonna be super like hard to slurp. I took it out of the freezer. It was not that hard to slurp. I was kind of impressed. I was like, man, how'd they do that? I did have to warm it up for like 10 seconds just to make it a little, like, to make it go up the straw, but you know, that's fine. That's fine. I also exercised, and then I fell asleep at roughly around 11:30 p.m. Today is Thursday. This morning I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. I read my book. The rest of the day I have planned. Oh, I also did laundry. I did laundry while I was reading my book. So while I was reading my book, my laundry was being washed and dried. What else I have planned for the rest of the day is to do my voiceover, which I'm doing right now. So voiceover, edit and upload, which I will do after I do this voiceover. Journal, probably not gonna happen. Dinner, exercise, and sleep. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will speak to you guys in the next video.